Hello everyone, in this turn, I'd like to show you how to use the brushes with the open brush to create cool stuffs like the cloud, like the water streams, like the lights, tree lights, the campfire, the fireworks. You will learn how to pick a brush, change the color, and change the size of the brush, and delete some brushes. And with these skills, you can use your imagination and creativity to make your world cooler. First, let's see how to find a brush. Look at your left hand. These are the panels. If you push the thumbsticks, the panels will change. And use the other hand to point at the panels, you will activate it. For example, these are the brushes panel. And we can see the first is light. Now I'd like to have the second fire and then pull the trigger to activate the fire brush. Now you can paint, but we don't want the pink color, so undo. Let's keep pushing the thumbstick to find the color wheels, and again point at this to find the right color. Press the trigger to activate it. Now we have this yellow fire. Go to the place you like to decorate or to create. Now we can create fire. Also, I'd like to show you a key skill is to change the size of the brush. It's quite straightforward. That's right thumbstick. If you push it, you can see the stroke becomes bigger and bigger. And if you push the other side, it becomes smaller. Now we can do some small fire on the top. Now, if you accidentally draw something you don't want, and you want to delete them, you can of course press the X button on your left hand to undo. Or there is another approach to use the eraser. Look at the tools panel, activate the first one is eraser, and hold the trigger button and go through these strokes to delete them. And then point at the eraser again to deactivate. Now you have the strokes. Now I'd like to show you some very useful brushes. The first one is the 3D brush or the volume brush. It's called Hole. Go to the last page. I'll highlight metal hole. And then you can use this to create something like a rock. You can hold the trigger button to draw and make some 3D volumes. You can also use it to create something like a cloud, change color, or even you can create trees, maybe snowman, some sticker man. You can also use the hole brush to create something like a firework launcher and choose another color. Now next brush I'd like to show you is the streamers. Very useful. That's in the second page. At the top right is called streamers. If you choose that one, you can create some dynamic animation streamers. And remember to change the size of the brush to make it bigger. You can use it to create some water streams too. Well, the next one is the dot to mimic the lights. It's a dot brush. And then you can make some light to decorate the tree. Well, try and see what other brushes you have and experiment with it. You can really create cool stuffs. Snow. Now go out and try yourself.